Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a 2017 KA registered vehicle for sale in Bangalore. Second owner vehicle, KA registered, 69,000 kilometers driven. The vehicle is having huge number of accessories in this, and the vehicle is totally stock bumpers have been installed on this. The vehicle is coming with independent suspension from the company itself. This is a four-wheel drive diesel turbo engine 2.4 liter, and the vehicle is also having a MAXIS 80 tires 771 and off-roading rims are available in this. Electronics hub blocks are available in this. 31 into 10.5 into 15 80 tires have been added. We also have a snorkel installed in this, working snorkel. Rock sliders are available. The vehicle is coming up with a hardtop, and you can just check out set of 4 tire, that's the 5 tires are available from MAXIS. All are MAXIS itself. Very much well maintained vehicle. The vehicle is a hardtop vehicle. The vehicle is also having a sunroof installed in this, and we also have a tire carrier installed for a better tire support on this. It's a Karnataka registered vehicle. Insurance is valid, and you can just check out the body line of the vehicle. Very much neat and very much clean at the moment, and all set of 5 tires are from MAXIS itself. This is a white color Thar 2018 make. So you can just have a look at the interiors also. The interiors are in very much neat condition at the moment. The vehicle is electronic seats have been installed on this. This is a Fortuner seats which has been installed, and you can just check out the reading at the moment. Genuine reading, 69,000 kilometers are available. We also have a AC power steering are available in this. Four-wheel drive is available. 2.5 liter diesel turbo is available in this. 5+1 gearbox, and you can just check out the sunroof is also been installed on this. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is also having a tire carrier for a better support on this frame, and here 3 seats have been installed in the sun. Totally a sunroof, and 3 seats for a better comfort ride has been installed on this. And bottle holders are also available in this. All the 3 seats are electronic seats which are adjustable. So this vehicle is also coming up with a special feature called as Coil over, which has been added. The leaf springs have been completely removed on this vehicle. You can just check out the differential has been changed. The coil over setup has been installed on this. So right now I'll be showing you the complete springs below. You can just check out, here is the coil over springs which has been added both the sides, and the differential is completely altered on this for a better comfort ride has been done. Only one Thar which is done at the moment, which I have seen at the moment, and this vehicle is also having a service history available up to 69,000 kilometers from Mahindra itself as per the customer request. So anybody who's really interested in having a look at this white color Thar can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617, and the price we are quoting is 9 lakhs, slightly negotiable. It's a Karnataka registered vehicle. Everything is available on online itself. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us on our number. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.